Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start the second part. So, and after we enabled all that on our laptop or PC, we're gonna enable the rest and we're gonna test the connection on our PS4. So, set up connection and use LAN cable because the PS4 and the computer are connected by Ethernet cable. Use custom, automatic, do not specify, automatic, automatic. On proxy server, we're gonna press use. So you see this an address, and this is the address of our and it's the default gateway of our connection. So your laptop is acting like a router right now, and if you don't know it, you can check it by using the LAN cable. Just going on easy. You just need the first three to work, or the first two. Doesn't matter really for the third one. Now let's go view connection status. You see this, the default gateway 192.168.137.1. That's the address that you're going to use, and the port we're going to use is the one on our laptop 8081. So set up connection, LAN cable, custom, automatic, do not specify, automatic, automatic, use. So let's write the address 13197. I mean 192. I'm sorry about that. I'm recording with one hand and writing with the other, so I apologize for the mistakes I'm going to make. Okay. 1. The port number is 8081. Is the port number in the CMD on our laptop. Press next. Test the connection. Okay, the first two are important. The third one can fail, is okay, because the game data is already on the laptop. We don't need to the PlayStation Network. We only need to start the download. After that, the game data and the badges are going to be transferred from the laptop to your PS4. So the speed gonna be fast. Failed the second one. Let's try again. I think it's alright, even if it failed, but because after it fails, if you wait a little bit, you can still use the internet, and you can it can act like the PlayStation Network sign-in was successful. It's gonna fail again, it seems, because it took a long time. Yeah, it's failed now. Doesn't matter. Let's go view connection status. So you can see the default gateway, and which is 192.168.137.1 is the same as the proxy server we are using, and that's the correct way. It should be the same, and the proxy number 8081 is the one on our laptop. Press O, go back. You can see the internet's working. It's loading. You can check it by going to your library, going to purchase it. Now I'm testing this one with the Witcher 3 Complete Edition, so let's start the download. Okay, don't start download. So I already know the the size of which and the Witcher without the patches, it's gonna be less than a little bit by 100 megabyte than the one with the patches. The latest patch and is 1.62, but this way we're gonna download the game with the patch version 1.00. So I'm using my laptop to record, and I mean my phone, so you should skip ahead around, I believe, 3 minutes. It's gonna take like 30 seconds to find the files in our laptop, then around 3 minutes to download the first 10 gigabyte. So you should skip ahead until the mark of around 9 minutes or 8 minutes and a half, or you can actually wait. So I already tried this method with Dark Souls 3, as you can see there, and this is the patch. I stopped downloading it. You can see version 1.00, and this is a digital edition. So the Witcher gonna be the same. We can check the version after it downloads I think the first 10 gigabyte. Sometimes it downloads the one with the patches, and you can know the difference after you reach the 10 megabyte, or if you tried it before. So you delete, if that happens, you should pause, then delete, cancel and delete, then try again, and go to your library, then download again. But I believe by God's will it will work this time. So let's wait. See, seems it failed. Let's resume. Let's check our internet. Everything seems good. If it fails again, I'm gonna test internet connection, and hopefully it will pass the first 3, and the download will work. Sometimes it doesn't need to pass the first 3, only needs the first 2. Okay, for the guys who skip it ahead and the download failed, there was a download error. We just press it, try again. Now we're waiting for the second time. If it fails now, we're gonna go to the internet connection and test the connection again, and hopefully it passes the first 3 required: the IP address, the internet connection, and the PSN sign-in. I think it's gonna fail again, so yeah, didn't actually start yet, so let's pause. Test internet connection. Still failing. Why is that? Everything seems good here. I'll try again. I was trying to download and I'm gonna turn on the laptop. And my laptop screen is busted, so I'm using the same HDMI cable and between the laptop and the PS4. So I'll have to remove it from the PS4, connect it to the laptop, then use the remote play and remote PSM on the laptop. So give me 1 second. Okay. The board is still working. I cancelled and delete it. Let's try again. There should be some links here. There should be some link is popping up here because listening to the connection between the PS4 and the server. There are no links. That's the problem. Yeah. I think it's working now. I just press it up on the keyboard. It's working now. Same preparing. Same 4% download. And there are links here. As you can see, Virus is trying to find the game URL and checking the data folder. Then range undefined, then saying found the game file locally, sending it to the PS. That means it found the game data and is sending it right now to the PS4. So you can see prepare and download 4%. It should change soon and start downloading. It's gonna finish downloading the game like I think 10 minutes or 8 minutes. It should be super fast, but at the beginning the connection should slow. Okay, it's working right now. As you can see, it's calculating. And this is the game without the patches. You can check it. As you can see, sending the game data. It's finding the game. It's finding the game data. The PS4 is asking for the game data, and the laptop is sending it through the proxy. And if you look at the connection speed, it's like 50 megabyte per second, saying 3 minutes to download it, to transfer the first 10 GB. So let's go back. Let's just wait for those 3 minutes. And you can know then if it worked by the size, if you tried to download the game before. So the Witcher 3, the budget edition should ask for 10 gigabyte and 740 MB to start. But now it's asking for 10 gigabyte and 625 instead of 740. That's how I know this one gonna be version 1 or version 1.00. Yeah, this video gonna be long, but hopefully you see even I am experiencing some problems sometimes. I think the problem came from I tried this before starting the video. It worked. Like I finished it in like 5 minutes, the connection and setting up everything, and 3 minutes to 4 minutes to downloading the game. But after I deleted the game and started rolling the video, these problems started popping up. But by trying and persisting, you can beat it, inshallah. One more minute to go, then we can officially check if the game is actually working. And don't worry, I don't think as I saw in the forums, this cannot be banned because you are not doing anything illegitimate. You're just transferring the game data from your laptop to your PS4. So you still need to be an owner of the copy for it to work. So this version is the American version, and I'm using my friend's account to show you. "26 seconds. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's gonna install. Wait a little bit. Completed. The first 10 gigabyte I've completed now. It's ready to use. So it's gonna finish the rest. As you can see, it's still going fast for my standard because my internet is slow, but you can pause it now. Don't worry about the logo missing. You click the PS button. this is the game. You go to information, press the option and go to information, and you can see the version 1.00. It's not actually 40 gigabyte, 0.6. I think it's gonna be around 39.7. And don't forget, you need to go to your settings to stop automatic updates. You need to go to your settings. I think it was in systems. Yeah, automatic downloads. You need to turn all these three off, so it will not and hopefully update the game while you start playing it. Or you can just turn off the internet after making your account the main account. Okay, good luck. Hopefully it will work for you too.